Hello, Miguel. Good morning. How are you?
Hello, Jamie. Very well. Thank you. And you?
I am very happy for you. I am fine. Thank you. Today we will talk about personal experience with natural disasters.
That is very good. I find it interesting.
What natural disaster have occurred in the country where you live?
In recent years, severe had occurred. The most recent was hurricane loss on November 30, 2020, on islands of Providencia.
Okay, I understand you. Have you or any of your friends or family ever been in a natural disasters?
No, fortunately, I have been living out of reach of one.
That great. And have you ever seen a natural disaster on television? Where did it happen? How did it affect people?
Yes, there were severe. One of them was Hurricane Milton on October 2024, which occurred in the United States, Florida, affecting people with tornadoes and flood.
Oh, okay, Miguel. It sounds terrible. And what are the worst natural disasters that you remember?
In Colombia, I remember the avalanche of volcanic eruption on November 30, 1985, which devastated the municipality of Armero.
Oh, horrible. And have you ever seen a movie about natural disaster?
Yes, I really remember one that was set in the United States called on the of tomorrow, where different disaster occurred, such as tornadoes, high uh, snowfall, and tide waves.
Okay, Miguel, I understand you, Miguel. Thank you. Your valuable time. Bye.
Thank you, Jamie. Bye.
Bye bye.